Oh, there you go. That is one of my favorites. That is Kapsalon made. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. Today, Kapsalon. Now, this is one of my all-time go-to favorite all-in-one meals. I absolutely love it. Now, if you've never heard of Kapsalon, Kapsalon came around in about 2003, invented in Rotterdam, and it's gone worldwide. It's absolutely fantastic. It has everything in it. It's bursting with flavor, and you've got a bit of salad. Let's show you how to make it. Come on. We're going to take our chicken thigh and we're just going to slice it over. Nice and steady. About ½ centimeter slices, you know. We want a bit of chicken on there when we cook it. So that's our chicken sliced. Just do another one. So nice and steady. And then all we need to do is put that in our tub. Okay guys, for marinating our chicken thighs then, you know, there are many different recipes all over the internet, you know, but they're very confusing and a lot of spices. I'll show you the quickest way to get a fantastic marinated meat for Kapsalon using 3 lots of ingredients only. Okay, garam masala in there, a curry powder of your choice in there, and some chili powder. That's it guys. Then all we got to do is give it a mix. Nothing worse than mixing in a stupid little tub with a spoon. Should get my hands in really, but I don't want it covered in turmeric. So that is our meat covered in our marinade, okay? Now we're just going to leave that to marinate for about ½ an hour, that's all. And what happens is all the salts and that will draw out all the fluid in there, and you know, it'll be quite a nice marinade, a wet marinade over our meat. And then what we'll do, we'll carry on with the next stage. So there you go, there's our meat marinating. Put to one side ½ an hour. Now guys, I'm using a combination of Gouda cheese, which is obviously Dutch because we're making a Dutch dish, and I'm using cheddar. I'm going to use both together. All we need to do now is grate up our cheese. Now this Gouda is lovely, soft and creamy. It's got to be perfect on top of our Kapsalon. So our Gouda, just do some cheddar. Okay, what we need to do is fry off our marinated meat. Our meat's been marinating in there for about 35 minutes actually. So that's enough. So a bit of oil in a pan. There's a bit more. Flame on. Now we don't have to go too high with this guys. We just want to sear off all that meat, cook this meat actually. Now it doesn't have to be cooked all the way through, but you know, 80% at least. And then let's go in the pan with our meat. So let's give that a little stir around in there, start it off. See, the smell is incredible already. Now, being a curry freak, I absolutely love curry smells and garam masala. So to me, this dish is the best. It has everything. It's got that lovely flavoured meat in there, it's got cheese in there, it's got salad in there, all in one. So just cook it round till you get a bit of a nice browning on there, on everywhere. Try and cook it to about 80% and then we're going to take it out. That's our chicken done. Now that must be 80%, you know, it doesn't take much to cook chicken thighs, and this go into the oven. So turn off the flame, and then we just need to put this in our tray. Okay, it's frozen chips for convenience today. So in the bag, and that is our lovely frozen chips. Okay, we're up to temperature. Let's have the lid off there. Lift up the basket, and we want to go in with some frozen chips. So we get our frozen chips in there. Think about that many. And then in we go. Lid back on to start off with, because it kicks out a lot of steam from the frozen chip as it hits the hot oil. And then we can take off the lid, give it a little flick up and down. We don't want these things sticking together. Now you can cook these at a higher temperature if you so wish, but I like to have that nice potato fluffy chipness in the middle, if you know what I mean. You know, if you fry them up too high, the outside goes really crispy and hard, and the inside is virtually got nothing in it. So a little loosen up in there. They only take about 5 minutes to cook, guys, you know, very easy actually. Now don't forget, with frozen chips, they already part blanch and cook them, and then flash freeze. You know, they're not raw potato in any way. Okay, they're done enough for me. Give them a little shake round, let them stand. Turn off your fryer. Oh, listen to those. Perfect. Perfect chips. And then what we need to do is dump them on some kitchen towel in a tray. And that is our chips. All we need to do now is put over some salt. So in our bowl then with our chips. Oh, layer of chips on the bottom. Fantastic. Lay your chips on the bottom. And then what we do, guys, we layer up our meat on top of our chips. So we get our meat on there. And then what we need to do, guys, we need to go over with our Gouda cheese. Get our Gouda on there. Oh man. And then on with a bit of cheddar, guys. Oh man. Just look at that. Right guys, that goes in the oven. We need to put that in the oven. We don't need to cook it as such, but we want to melt over the top of the cheese. Okay then, for our very, very quick garlic mayo sauce, some garlic in there. And then we want to go in with some plain yogurt. 1, 2, 3. So there's about 4 tablespoons in one of these little cartons. So we got 4 tablespoons of yogurt there. We want equal amounts of mayonnaise, straight out of the jar. We're not even making this. This is a quick garlic sauce and a little pinch of black pepper. Then all we need to do is give that a mix through. So give it a taste test. Oh, that is amazing. Now obviously guys, put in as much garlic as you wish. If you want more garlic flavour in there, put more garlic in, you know. It is supposed to be a garlic sauce, but you know, some people are really, I don't like garlic, I don't like the smell of it. That is amazing. So that's our quick garlic mayo sauce made. Okay, lettuce guys. All we're going to do is slice our lettuce thinly. So that's it. We want some strips of lettuce, very thin, and you can also do that if you wanted. You know, we just want some slithers of lettuce for our salad. So that is our lettuce prepped. So cut our cucumber then. That's our cucumber sliced up. Cherry tomatoes guys, we're just going to half these. Half our cherry tomatoes. And then we'll put in a tub. Take our red onion and we're going to slice the red onion. So nice and steady. As thin or as large as you like. And that's our red onion sliced. And all we're going to do is put that in a tub. Pepper sliced. Just follow it round. And then all we need to do, if you don't want that white pith in there, you know, just take it out. Take out the white pith. That's easy, isn't it? And then all we do is slice our red peppers. Now again, slice them as thick or as thin as you want, but that's our peppers sliced. Oh, there we are guys, look at that. Fantastic layer of chips underneath our seasoned meat and all that melted cheese. That is fantastic. Just look at that. Right guys, all we need to do is let it cool a little minute, you know, because we want to put some salad on the top. Now if you're going to dress this up and put it on show, you will put your salad on the top of there and put it on the table. Now if you want to just serve up portions, you can divide up, put on your plate and put some salad on. That's up to you. So what we'll do is we'll serve it up. Oh guys, that's Kapsalon made. Drizzle over some of our garlic sauce. Oh, that looks phenomenal. And a little bit of sriracha, a little bit of a hot sauce of your choice over the top of there. Oh, there you go. That is one of my favorites. That is Kapsalon made. Oh, just look at that. And under there, guys, all the chips have taken on all that. They've taken on all the oil from the cheeses. Oh, look at that. Oh, one of my all-time favorite snack street foods, which is simple to make at home, and I tell you, it's fantastic guys. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe, all that kind of things. Share with your friends and we'll catch you in the next video. Gooey sticky cheese and all that garlic sauce. Now that really is one of my favorite foods.